Sorry.
We just crashed into a tree.
I crashed into a tree. Hang on. The streets are so fucking messed up. Okay, let's go. Turn to the left so I can look down another road there. Okay.
Say hi.
Hello.
After
Welcome
about
to our-
50 million swears.
What the fuck you saying?
Anyway,
Banged into the same fucking pothole. Shit. Okay.
we are going to the park.
Oh yeah,
And we're going to shoot rockets into space.
that's right. Oh yes, we are.
And I've got my drone and my GoPro, and we're going to do the review video for the drone that you've been waiting for.
Yes, indeed.
So that'll be out soon.
Gonna have some fun.
So that's going to be cool. So I need the GoPro because I have to control the drone with this phone. So, and I haven't got my new camera yet. So hopefully the GoPro works. Anyway, we are off.
Not quite. We have to go pick up rocket engines first. Then I gotta find that other place.
Well,
Look for
yeah.
1819 Maine. That's what we were looking for.
1819 Maine for
So-
all your rocket engine needs.
That's right. Cellar Dweller, it's called.
Cellar Dweller. Oh, I know where that is.
Okay.
Yeah, I can show you where that. Yeah. Cellar Dweller.
I know where the old location is. They moved, eh? So
They moved.
they moved. Right.
Oh no, right. They used to be by the Sev.
Yeah.
Now they're up further by the bus depot,
Yeah.
bus barns.
Show me.
Yeah, definitely.
No, they moved from that one. Now they're up further.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they're 1819 Maine.
We'll be back.
Just look for it.
Here we go into the park. Why do you have to stay right? Oh,
Gotta show them the. Oh, there's nobody there. Fuck is there?
nobody there. Oh, well. Gun it.
You can only do 60 in the park. When was the last time you were at Birds Hill?
I don't know. I was about 12.
Really? Holy crap. Not much has changed, but yeah, it's still pretty good.
I don't know. I'm guessing. I'm sure I was like around there or a teenager or something.
Okay.
I don't get out much. That's why my vlogs aren't interesting, because I don't do anything. Just concentrating.
Yeah. Bang! Whoa, shit. Going to see some good stuff. They're going to launch my model rocket. It's going to be lots of fun, eh? Oh, I gotta elaborate? Okay. It's gonna go like, you're gonna watch it go like 0 to like 300 feet in like less than 3 seconds. You're gonna love it.
Hopefully I can keep up.
You won't be able to. It's like it'll launch and then it'll be in the air, ready to eject the parachute. It'll go that fast. Trust me.
Should strap the GoPro to it.
You couldn't lift it.
Why?
No, because the model rocket's really light. The GoPro's heavier than the
No, it's not.
No?
No, it's not. GoPro is like virtually weightless. It's a little tiny camera. It's about like this.
Okay. Well,
You brought the duct tape, right?
no.
Oh.
I got masking tape though.
That might work.
It won't work because it'll make the rocket unstable. The rocket's gonna go all over the damn place. Yeah, you can't tape things to it. I have a model rocket that has a camera on it though. No sound to it, but
Yeah,
it's
well,
got a-
my drone doesn't have any sound to it. But that's why we're gonna improvise. No.
Okay. Well, he said improvise.
No, I have a solution.
Okay.
I always have a solution to everything.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah, like when I went to Fat Panda, it was just quick in and out.
Right.
Didn't have time to ask if I could film in there or anything. So when I got home, I went on Google Earth and just showed the inside 360 view of it.
Yeah, there you go.
Pretty much the same thing. So if you want to see video footage from a rocket, look it up on YouTube. Because you might not be able to see it here.
Well, you film with your camera. I mean, you're
yeah, I know that, but I mean, I'm just saying, like, a perspective view from the rocket.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
But I've got a rocket like that with a camera on it that has that view. So,
yeah. But you didn't bring it.
No.
Why?
I don't know. I should.
You knew we were vlogging today.
Okay. Yeah, it's like the day's not over yet.
Yeah. So
the major thing we're doing here is the drone. So we're gonna do the drone and then we go for the rocket. So.
Well, that's the main reason we came here.
Yeah.
But that's not going to be in this vlog.
Okay.
That's a totally separate video.
Okay.
But yeah, that's the main reason we came here, is to do that review video of the drone. So, and that's going to be fun. But yeah. Well, we just did the review video for the drone, but somehow it didn't really go as planned, but it shows how well the drone works. I didn't get to use the bottom camera, but that's okay. I got footage, I got video footage of the drone, that's all that matters. That's the important thing.
That's some fun chasing it too.
Oh yeah. It ended up way back there on the road. So hopefully that part of it is still intact. So you can see that. But yeah. So that video will be out pretty soon. Not sure exactly when I'm gonna upload it. Maybe Sunday, maybe Monday. Depends on how much time I have in my schedule. But it will be up definitely this week. So, without further ado, the main reason you came here, the main reason you clicked on this video, is to see the big golden crayon in the sky.
Yes, indeed.
So this is Randy's rocket.
A big crayon. You could launch it and you could write things with it too. All right.
You write your name in the sky with this thing.
That's right. All right. So, first thing we have to do is we have to put the old recovery wadding into the tube. Because if we don't, the ejection charge is going to burn up the parachute.
Oh, there's a parachute.
Yep.
Awesome.
There's also a shock cord, see?
And we can't put the GoPro on it?
If it was round, maybe we could, yeah, but no, a square one like that, I don't think so. We could try it at one point.
No.
But then it would go a little bit of wonky.
Put it on the bottom? No.
Okay.
Would it fit on the bottom?
No, the bottom is where the engine goes.
Oh, okay, never mind. Don't want to do that.
Yeah, I don't want that to happen. That should be enough. Probably wadding. I'll pack it down a bit.
Strap the drone to it.
That'd be interesting.
That would be, but I don't want to wreck my drone.
No.
It's already dead as it is. See. The blades are kind of trashed up from me stupidly flying it in the house. But yeah.
Well, you had to practice, so that's all right.
Yeah. I mean, it's not like it cost me a lot to get that, so.
Yeah, that's all right.
And there's the GoPro. Dang, just put it on there. You got the tape. And just have it like that.
Well, actually, probably.
Yeah, but if it's on the side, you'd see a side view. You know, if you're watching videos of rockets, they always have them facing down.
Yeah.
You know why? To hide the fact that the Earth isn't flat. Or no, to hide the fact that the Earth is flat. There you go.
That's funny. I like that.
Well, that's the main reason why GoPros have a fisheye view. Fisheye camera. It's like a bubble camera to make it look like the Earth is round.
Yeah. Because we all know the Earth's flat.
The Earth is flat. Space doesn't exist.
With the center of the universe and the sun, the moon, and the stars all rotate around us according to your precious Holy Bible.
Well, that's true. Okay, now for the fun part.
She's loaded and ready to fly. Now.
Just gonna move my bag.
Alright. Keep that tape on. I need that.
It is out.
Yeah, I just gotta tape that to there. Okay, so now I'm gonna position this. I'm gonna get this more towards the wind, I think. Okay, maybe sit. Yeah, that's what I want you. That's what I want you. Okay.
Why are you so far away?
And that's when we're gonna launch it. You can't be close to it when it goes.
Well, then how can I?
You can stand over there and do it. But you're gonna get a little bit of fallout from it, but it won't be too bad.
Oh, okay. So I'm not gonna get hit with anything.
No, you'll be fine. You got your glasses on anyway, so you can get fallout. Lock it.
Oh, cool.
It's not gonna be that bad, trust me. It's not gonna be
The benefits of not being able to see.
Okay. Hang on.
So that goes to.
Put the alligator clips on.
So where do you clip those to?
Those two little leads right there. So it's going to put a charge on that igniter, that tip of that thing I put in there.
Right.
And it's going to ignite the rocket engine inside. Inside the rocket engine is gunpowder.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Okay. Can't let him touch. All right, we're ready to fly. Just going to do last minute preps. Make sure that that's nice and loose, otherwise. Oh shit! How can I get in there? All right, we're set to fly. Okay.
All right, do it.
Gonna wait till the wind gets a little bit less right now, so it's just picking up a bit. Let's see if I have a good light or not. Let's have a look here. Okay, we're smoking. So when the rocket does apogee, it's gonna go probably that way.
Yeah.
Okay. So stand by. I'll just wait till the wind dies down a bit here.
Ha!
Okay.
Tried to do that with my drone.
Picking up.
And the wind took off with it.
There we go, stand by. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not going.
What happened?
Don't know. Misfire. Oh, okay, I'll get her clips there. It's not touching right. Okay.
It's not gonna like go off while you're there, is it?
Didn't get the charge anyways.
Okay. Because if it does, this video will go viral.
No doubt. Randy gets one in the face. It wasn't second. That was sick. Okay, never mind. All right. I think it should be good now. Let me just check.
Second attempt at launching the golden crayon.
Okay.
All right.
You got a light now. Okay. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy shit!
You bet your ass. Uh-oh. There's the shoe. There's the shoe now.
I see it.
What a hell of an arc. I love that. I'm gonna pop up, baby. Right here.
Damn!
Yes!
Ha!
Worked perfectly.
That was cool.
Yeah. There you go. Now all we gotta do, see it's smoke in there.
Yeah.
It's from the charge, from the ejection charge.
It's like sulfur.
Yeah. It's a nice smell too. I love that smell.
Do you like sulfur?
No, it's more gunpowder. Here, sniff.
Oh.
Take a sniff.
Oh yeah. Oh, who needs a vape?
Yeah, we're sniffing rockets.
Sniffing rockets in Birds Hill.
Okay. Time to reload.
Told you this video would be freaking crazy. Oh man. So that was wow.
Right on, right on.
How far up did it go?
500 feet.
500 feet. Wow. That's crazy. This is the second launch. You turned it around.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe it'll go the other way.
No, this is good. Okay. We're ready to go.
All right. This time I'm going to stand up and do it.
Right.
And wait. Zoom into the rocket. Okay.
Okay, we got a good light. Bird is hot, ready to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy crap. Oh man. Don't mind me, I'm just running. Wow, that went far. Wow. Thought it was gonna hit them.
Yeah. The wind's really taking it now, so I have to reposition it a bit.
Oh, you can really smell that gunpowder.
Yeah. There's nothing like the smell of gunpowder on Saturday afternoon in Birch Hill Park, baby. I love it, I say.
Oh, sniffing the gunpowder. Sniffing rockets.
Sniffing rockets in Birch Hill.
Good workout.
Yep.
All right,
Okay, stand by for launch.
number 3.
Bird is hot. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's a beauty. Good shoot. Oh, you shoot. Okay, there it goes.
Oh, that almost didn't go. You got a really good Stewie impression.
What the deuce?
That whole Will Wheaton thing.
Will Wheaton. Will Wheaton. Will Wheaton.
There's more to it than that, isn't there?
Yeah, I don't know the whole routine.
No, but
Brian
you can
goes,
take...
wait, why are you saying it like that? I don't know, Will Wheaton.
But you can take that and say other things.
Yeah, okay.
And wouldn't it be the same?
Yeah,
or-
you gotta watch that shit, otherwise Seth MacFarlane comes after your ass with a big fat lawsuit.
Yeah, but Seth MacFarlane wouldn't do anything to me. I'm awesome.
Yeah, do something to me though.
Yeah, I don't
I sue me for stealing his intellectual property or something.
Nah,
It's
maybe.
American. He sues everybody and everybody.
I don't understand that about Americans. Americans versus Canadians, right? Americans will sue you. Canadians will...
No, Americans will threaten to sue you. They don't have the money to sue you, believe it.
Spring Hill.
Hey, ski.
Ah, cool. Skiing. There, that'll be our next adventure.
There's the oasis over there. That's where you go swimming. There's a man-made lake over there.
Yeah.
There's the floodway. That's where I launched my triple stage rocket. So
Oh, yeah.
that's where it got all crapped out, disintegrated on me, pain in the ass.
So, our next adventure will be horseback riding.
No. Nope.
Why?
Tell you what. You pretend you're riding a horse, and I'll click the coconuts behind you like Monty Python.
You know, you could actually get...
For the bicycle, yeah, I posted that. I'm the one who posted that.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
That's funny.
That's a good idea, actually.
That would be fun. Ride a bike that sounds like a horse.
Oh, you know what I'm thinking?
What?
Let's start a little business and market the shit out of it. Let's just sell that thing.
What, those don't exist?
Those do exist,
Well,
but we could sell them.
we could do
and make
commercials.
money. Yeah,
Yeah.
to Monty Python fans. Put it on their bikes. All these bikes will be riding around. Tuk, 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 tuk.
And then people figure out how to put them on their cars.
You know where we sell that?
Rex Harrison.
I'm gonna get a table at C4. We're gonna sell a bunch of stuff, and that's one of the things we're gonna sell.
C4? Dynamite?
No, Comic-Con. I want to look into getting a table. Then there's a bunch of things I want to sell.
We should go skiing.
Okay, well, you have to wait about 2 or 3 months for that.
Rogue. Or we could do grass skiing.
Hey, check it.
Read his license plate. Ooh.
Got a dirt dune buggy.
Polaris.
It's a 2-seater.
Oh,
It's a
it's
two-seater
got doors
quad.
and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, I want that so badly. Look, read his license plate.
HKG.
No, the truck with the quad.
Oh, I didn't see it.
It says bad dog.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
DAWG.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's right on.
Ugh. So, you know how YouTubers have names for their subscribers?
Mm-hmm.
Like Logan Paul has Logang, Mr. Organic has the Gargoyle Nation, or the Gargoyle Gang. Tall Guy Car Reviews has the G Squad. There's a lot, right? Way too much to mention. I want something from my subscribers.
Okay. Sprat Pack. That's good. I like it. It's good. I like it.
The Sprat Pack. You think that would work?
I'll clean house on my YouTube channel and put a connection to your channel, and then I'll do some of my own blogs and stuff.
Vlogs.
Okay. Vlogs. Okay. Yeah.
Vlogs.
Vlogs.
Video logs.
Vlogs. Okay. Vlogs. Yeah.
Vlogs are text.
Blogs are text.
Blogs are text. Vlogs are video.
Okay.
Stands for video logs.
Vlogs. Gotcha.
Blog, however, stands for web log.
Oh, okay.
But they take the B instead of the W. I don't know why.
I see.
Probably because it sounds better than blog.
Vlog.
Vlog. I'm going to write a vlog. So they just go blog. You take the B.
Vlog.
So there's bloggers and vloggers, and I'm a vlogger.
Or maybe pronouncing the H in Will Wheaton.
Oh man.
I know. I'm extremely disturbed.
Yeah. Those rockets were awesome.
Oh, there was just one.
That one rocket. Okay, fine, but the launches were awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, those were fast. You weren't kidding. 0 to 500 feet in 30 seconds.
No, in less than 3 seconds.
3 seconds. Okay.
Less than 3 seconds.
3 seconds. I stand corrected. And
I was using
and
a
then
C
the
engine,
drone. The drone lifts to about 6 feet in about that time.
Yeah.
So those rockets have way more power.
Yeah.
Way more power. So, but anyway, I think that's it because this is going to be super long. Anything you want to say to the Sprat Pack?
Hey, Sprat Pack. Well, I'm going to be part of Sprat Pack anyway. So.
Yeah, he's not even subscribed to me. Can you
I'll
believe
do
that?
it. I'll do it.
You've been
Okay.
saying that for weeks.
All right. I got a clean house on my YouTube channel to subscribe tonight.
Clean house. What do you mean by that?
Some lists on there I don't want you to see.
Nobody will see anything.
Oh, hell, they won't.
What? Oh, what? If they click on your channel? What's your channel name? I'm not telling you. Just in case you don't clean it up.
There's some on there I have to delete. I haven't figured out how to delete it. That's the pain in the ass, but that's stupid. Shit.
Well, this seems like a conversation that needs to be had off camera.
Where the hell am I going?
You're going that way.
Oh, I'll go down. Okay, I'll go down Chief Pegwas. Yeah, okay. I know I'm going this way. I should have took the perimeter over to Main Street, but I take Chief Pegwas to Main Street
Yeah.
faster anyway. So
Chief Pegwas. Trail. Anyway, I think that's it. Take me a while to edit everything.